Off the coast of Australia lies a world unseen by most. Beneath the shimmering surface of the ocean, a hidden paradise awaits discovery. This is a realm where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary and the mundane becomes magical. A world teeming with life, bursting with colour and built by tiny architects. Here, the coral polyps, minute in size, create vast underwater cities that support an incredible diversity of life. Fish of every hue dart among the corals, while sea turtles glide gracefully through the water. This is the Great Barrier Reef, the largest living structure on Earth. Stretching over 1,400 miles, it is a testament to the power of nature's architects. The reef is a living, breathing entity, constantly growing and changing. Visible even from space, the reef is a marvel of nature, home to a dazzling array of creatures. From the tiniest plankton to the majestic humpback whales, the reef supports an intricate web of life. Each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. For millennia, the reef has thrived. A vibrant underwater city, it is a place where life flourishes in abundance and every nook and cranny is filled with activity. The corals themselves are living organisms, providing shelter and sustenance to countless marine species. The Great Barrier Reef is not one continuous structure, but a chain of over 2,900 individual reefs. Each reef is a unique microcosm, with its own distinct community of inhabitants. Together, they form a vast and interconnected network of life. These reefs stretch for over 1,400 miles, a kaleidoscope of life beneath the waves. The sheer scale of the reef is awe-inspiring, and its beauty is unparalleled. It is a place where the wonders of the natural world are on full display. From the air, the reef appears as a patchwork quilt of turquoise, azure and deep blue, hinting at the wonders below. The vibrant colors are a testament to the health and vitality of the reef, and they beckon explorers to dive beneath the surface. It is a place of constant motion where the rhythm of the tides dictates the flow of life. The ebb and flow of the water bring nutrients to the reef, sustaining its inhabitants. The currents shape the landscape, carving out new habitats and creating a dynamic environment. Drones, with their bird's-eye view, reveal the reef's true splendor. From above, the Great Barrier Reef unfolds like a vast, living mosaic, each section teeming with life and color. The drones provide a perspective that is both breathtaking and humbling, showcasing the sheer scale and beauty of this underwater paradise. They capture the intricate patterns of the coral, a living tapestry of colors. Each coral formation is unique, with patterns that seem almost too perfect to be natural. The vibrant hues and complex designs are a testament to the incredible biodiversity found within the reef. Each coral head, a colony of tiny animals, contributes to the reef's growth. These tiny polyps work together, building the massive structures that form the backbone of the reef. The symbiotic relationship between the coral and the marine life that inhabits it is a delicate balance, essential for the health of the ecosystem. The drones soar above gardens of staghorn coral, their antler-like branches reaching towards the surface. These corals provide shelter and habitat for countless marine species, creating a bustling underwater metropolis. The staghorn coral's unique structure is not only beautiful but also vital for the reef's resilience. Brain coral, resembling giant underwater brains, adds to the surreal landscape. These corals are slow-growing but incredibly resilient, often surviving for centuries. Their intricate patterns and robust forms are a stark contrast to the more delicate corals, highlighting the diversity of forms within the reef. The coral's vibrant hues, from electric blues and greens to fiery oranges and yellows, are a testament to the reef's biodiversity. These colors are not just for show, they play a crucial role in the survival of the coral, helping to attract symbiotic algae and deter predators. These colors come from tiny algae living within the coral, providing them with food and their dazzling appearance. This symbiotic relationship is essential for the coral's survival, as the algae convert sunlight into energy through photosynthesis, which the coral then uses to grow and thrive. The drones capture the play of light on the coral, creating an ever-shifting spectacle. As the sunlight filters through the water, it dances across the reef, highlighting the vibrant colors and intricate patterns. This dynamic interplay of light and color is a constant reminder of the reef's vitality and the delicate balance that sustains it. Drones offer a unique perspective on the Great Barrier Reef, one previously reserved for aerial surveys or costly underwater expeditions. These flying marvels have revolutionized our ability to explore and document the natural world. Providing unprecedented access to remote and delicate ecosystems, they allow us to appreciate the sheer scale of the reef, its vastness impossible to comprehend from the surface. From above, the reef stretches out like a living mosaic, each section teeming with life and color. With their agility, drones can access shallow lagoons and navigate intricate coral formations. These areas, often inaccessible to divers, are now within our reach, revealing hidden wonders and intricate details of the reef's structure. From their vantage point, drones reveal the reef's inhabitants in their natural habitat. Fish, crustaceans, and other marine creatures go about their daily lives unaware of the silent observer above. Schools of fish, a silver flash in the sunlight, dart through the coral. These vibrant communities of fish create a dynamic and ever-changing tapestry of movement and color. Graceful manta rays with wingspans wider than a car glide effortlessly through the water. Their majestic movements are a testament to the beauty and grace of marine life. Drones capture the slow, deliberate movements of green sea turtles, ancient mariners navigating their coral home. These gentle giants, with their wise eyes and serene presence, remind us of the timelessness of the ocean. The Great Barrier Reef is a bustling metropolis, home to an estimated 1,500 species of fish. Clownfish, made famous by the film Finding Nemo, seek shelter within the stinging tentacles of anemones. Parrotfish, with their beak-like mouths, graze on algae, their crunching audible even above the water. Sharks, apex predators of this underwater realm, patrol the reef's edges. The reef provides shelter, food, and breeding grounds for countless creatures. Seabirds, drawn by the abundance of fish, circle overhead. Humpback whales migrate to the reef's warmer waters to give birth. The reef's intricate web of life is a testament to the delicate balance of nature. Despite its resilience, the Great Barrier Reef faces unprecedented threats. Climate change, with its rising sea temperatures, has led to coral bleaching events. Pollution from coastal development and agriculture chokes the reef's waters. Overfishing disrupts the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The drone's lens captures these threats with stark clarity. Images of bleached coral, devoid of life, serve as a stark reminder of the reef's fragility. The drones document the encroachment of crown-of-thorns starfish, whose appetite for coral can devastate entire reefs. These images are a call to action, a plea for the reef's protection. Scientists, conservationists, and local communities are working tirelessly to protect the Great Barrier Reef. They monitor the reef's health, conduct research, and implement conservation measures. Marine parks and protected areas provide refuge for marine life. Sustainable fishing practices help to maintain fish populations. Drones have become invaluable tools for reef conservation. They provide a cost-effective way to monitor vast areas of the reef, identify areas of damage, and track the effectiveness of conservation efforts. The data collected by drones helps scientists to understand the reef's complex ecosystem and develop strategies for its protection. The future of the Great Barrier Reef hangs in the balance. Climate change remains the most significant threat, requiring global action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Local efforts to reduce pollution and manage fishing pressure are also crucial. The reef's survival depends on our collective will to protect it. The Great Barrier Reef is a global treasure, a testament to the beauty and biodiversity of our planet. It is a place of wonder and inspiration, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. By working together, we can ensure that this natural wonder continues to thrive for generations to come.